Namaste. Haribol.
Respected Mother Moon, family of the Universal Peace Federation, it's my great honor and privilege to represent India, Hinduism, world's oldest religion, at the historic prayer rally for peace on the Korean Peninsula. Bhagavad Gita says, the way of peace is achieved through discipline. This ties into the teachings of Ahimsa and correct Dharma, as actions towards others can determine the outcome of future rebirths. We all should observe these core teachings to ensure that they can achieve complete peace. Today's topic is how to bring peace and reconciliation in the Korean Peninsula. There are various schools of thought existing today, offering diverse views on the topic. I can also offer my own views. However, today we need to forge a common world view where we all can participate and contribute for the peace in the Korean Peninsula. That view is already pioneered by the legendary founders of the Universal Peace Federation, Reverend Father Moon and Mother Moon, during their historic meeting with President in 1992. The seed of hope and optimism based on principles of true love planted by the UPF's co-founders 2 decades ago is now starting to bear fruits. This difficult path is now becoming wider because of programs like the one we are participating in today. We are aware of the various worldwide activities of the Universal Peace Federation dedicated to promote this goal. Countless resources were invested and world leaders brought together to support this very cause. Personally, I had great honor of attending the 2017 Global Prayer Rally for the peaceful reunification of Korean Peninsula held at the World Cup Stadium of Korea, which was participated by 100,000 people with their physical presence. Therefore, I am joining today to this message to extend my solidarity and support again to Mother Moon, who's continuing Father Moon's legacy and leading all of us with a mother's heart to bring reconciliation in the Korean Peninsula and the world. We Indians will be the happiest citizen on earth to see a divided Korea united. As a religious leader, I would like to offer the following prayer from the Riga Veda to extend our support for the peaceful reunification of the Korean Peninsula. Let us be united. Let us speak in harmony. Let our minds apprehend alike. Common be our prayer. Common be the end of our assembly. Common be our resolution. Common be our deliberations. Alike be our feelings. Unified be our hearts. Common be our intentions. Perfect be our unity. May there be peace in celestial regions. May there be peace on earth. May the waters be appeasing, may herbs be wholesome, and may trees and plants bring speech to all. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Again, I request to everybody, please, please, please live in peace, not in pieces. Thank you.